Nation, what up? Back again. One more time, man. Up in here with MayRose. Last video, man, y'all seen that the car wasn't doing what it's supposed to do. I don't remember if I told y'all, but it threw a code, the transmission code. It was a solenoid that's bad on it. So I got the solenoid, I got the spring that goes to the solenoid. Hopefully it's not the transmission harness. If it's the transmission harness, then we got a whole nother problem. Hopefully this solves my problem as far as the shifting. If not, I don't know. Keep our fingers crossed. But until then, I just wanted to get that out there, man. Go ahead and consider subscribing, man. Consider liking, but go ahead and comment, man. Go ahead and comment. Tell me what y'all think about the channel so far. Tell me what y'all think about the content. I'll let go. And yeah, man, we gonna roll like that. So what I'm waiting on now, man, I got everything. Well, I don't have everything loaded in the car, but everything's gonna be loaded in the car. And my dog Memphis Mike, man, about to come and get the car. We better go down to the shop, try to knock this out real quick, and get it back to the house. So yeah, man, trying to get Florida Classic ready, y'all. Y'all see me working. I'm trying to, man, get this footage for y'all, man, to get this car to the Classic. I'm doing everything in my power. So man, y'all just bear with me, man. I'm trying to make it, man. I'm trying to make it. So yeah. Waiting on Memphis Mike, man. He said he had something going on. He was gonna come. He was about to be through in a minute. So waiting on him, and I hit y'all when we get down to the shop. All right, y'all. So what ended up happening was I had to go and get Big Black. I had to go and pick up Big Black, man, to load MayRose up. Mike had something going on, so yeah, got MayRose loaded up, man. On Big Black. I think that's what he called it, Big Black. But anyway, man, we got MayRose loaded up on the trailer, man. So finna run on down to Memphis Mike's garage, man, and see if we can get this problem rectified, because I really need this problem to be rectified, like on everything. So yeah, that's Big Black. Big Black. See you, Big Black. They're rad, dog. Yeah. Ah, yeah. Ah, yeah. Got Scooter, the shooter. Shut up, man. Shut up, bro. Let me. Hey. Let me.
Boy, ain't no way, boy.
Oh, it's definitely a way.
Boy, ain't no way.
Everybody gone?
Everybody.
Oh, okay.
Except you and your camera.
My camera. Ugly ass.
You show your man got hurt.
Where? Boy, ain't no way, boy. You better not be. Yep.
Yeah. That thing. Finna go on the wreck, man. Yes, up. It's all good. Catch y'all tomorrow, man. We get to working on this thing. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna make this quick because I got this copyright going on in the background, but transmission pan, drop, put the sensor in, went back up with it, no leaks. I messed the floor real bad with the transmission floor initially, but I don't have no leaks. Ain't none leaking under there. It's cool. Just fired it up. Still got that code. So I'm finna put this code read on there. See if I can delete the code. And see if I can delete the code, which I left all the instructions at home. I'm finna see if I can delete the code out and see what it give me after that, because I put the solenoid in, all that good stuff. So I'm finna see. So yeah. Oh, also I took out this. I'm trying to talk louder than the copyright. I took this low car stick out, man. Took that low car transmission stick out. Put me a factory stick back in there, man, because the low car, man, wasn't reading right. So put me a factory stick back in there. We all good with that. So now let me go over here, try to see what's up with this code, and see what we got. Well, sad news. That didn't fix the problem. The only thing I did was fix the transmission leak and put a new oil stick in it. A new transmission stick in it, because yeah, it didn't fix the problem. The car's still doing the same thing, it ain't shifting, so I don't know what it is. At this point, it's really too late to try to even get the car to Florida Classic. You know what I'm saying? Like it's too late. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's too late. So yeah, I look like the car ain't gonna make it to Florida. Look like, man, we just I'm gonna have to rent me something. I already got my house, so look like I'm just gonna have to rent me something, man, and just shoot out there. I don't know, bro. Like, I don't know. But yeah, man, let me clean up my mess, and hit y'all right back.